Good morning students, welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today we will continue with our chapter 6 PowerPoint 2016. So open your computer book at page number 58. Previously we have learnt about creating a new presentation, saving a presentation, closing and exiting a presentation and opening a presentation. And today we will learn the topics slide layout, adding a new slide, adding pictures to the title and content slide, and slideshow. So the main objectives of the day are: what is slide layout and name the different slide layouts, how to add a new slide and pictures in a presentation, and what is slideshow and how to run it. So open page number 63. Before discussing our main topic, we will discuss the terms, and our first term is layout, an arrangement of various components on the slide. Components means we can arrange the text, images or any other objects on the slide by using the different layouts. Second is slideshow, displays all the slides one by one on the screen. Now on page number 63, our first topic is slide layout, and our first layout is title slide layout. In this layout, you can give the title in the first placeholder and subtitle in the second placeholder by just clicking inside these two placeholders. The second layout is title and content slide. In this layout, you can give the title in the first placeholder and add any text or graphics in the second placeholder by clicking on these small icons. Next layout is comparison layout. This layout is mainly used to show the difference between two objects. Here you will find a placeholder for the title and two placeholders on the left side and right side for adding text, graphics or both. The next layout is picture with caption layout. This layout is used to insert a picture and also give a title to that picture. In this upper placeholder, you can give a title to the picture, and in this lower placeholder, you can give the description of that title. And this right side placeholder is used to insert picture, table or any other graphics. So let's understand it practically. So students, under the Home tab, we are having this layout icon. By clicking on this layout icon, you will observe that we are having total 15 layouts. You can select any layout according to your requirement by just clicking on the layout. Now our next topic on page number 63 and 64 is adding a new slide. Students, you can insert slides according to your requirement in your presentation. And the steps to add a new slide are: click on Start button PowerPoint 2016. Second step is click on drop down arrow next to the new slide button. And third step is click on the desired layout. So let's do its practical. Now students, I want to add a new slide in my previous presentation which I have made on famous monuments of India. And to insert a new slide in your presentation, we have to click on this new slide drop down arrow and then according to your requirement you can select any layout. So I am going to select the layout, title and content. This is the default layout, means whenever you will insert any new slide in your presentation, the default layout will always be title and content. The second way to insert a new slide in your presentation is by using the shortcut key Ctrl plus M. So I am going to press the shortcut key Ctrl plus M key from the keyboard, and you can observe that the third slide is added in my presentation. So this is the way to insert a new slide in your presentation. Now the next topic on page number 64 is adding pictures to the title and content slide. And the steps to add pictures to the slide are: click on Start button PowerPoint 2016. Second step is click on Insert tab. Third step is select the pictures option. Fourth step is select the desired picture. And fifth step is click on Insert button. So let's do its practical. So students, firstly we will give title to our picture in the first placeholder. So click inside it and write down the first monument name, Taj Mahal. Select it and do the formatting according to your requirement. Increase the font size. Change the font color and apply bullets also. And change the position of the text by clicking on the center alignment button. Now click inside the second placeholder where we will insert the picture. Now to insert the picture, firstly click on Insert tab. Click on Pictures icon. Now click on the Taj Mahal picture and click on Insert button. By dragging these 8 resize handles, you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Now click on the next slide. Give the title of Char Minar. Again select it and do the formatting. Increase the font size. Apply bullets and change its alignment. To insert the picture, click on Insert tab. Select the Pictures option. Click on the Char Minar picture and click on Insert button. Again drag these resize handles. To adjust your picture. Similarly, you can add more slides and do the formatting according to your requirement. Our last topic on page number 64 is slideshow. Students, slideshow is just like the pictures in a photo album. It displays all the slides in a presentation one by one on the screen. The steps to run a slideshow are: click on Start button PowerPoint 2016. Second step is click on Slideshow tab and third step is select the desired option. So let's do its practical. So students, after making the presentation or slideshow, we have to run it, and to run the slideshow, click on Slideshow tab. From here, you can select any option according to your requirement, like from beginning icon, from current slide, present online, and custom slideshow. Firstly, when you click on from beginning icon, it will start the slideshow from the first slide. You can see that in the slides navigation pane, our third slide is selected. But when you click on from beginning icon, it will start the slideshow from the first slide. So click on it. So you can see that firstly the first slide is appearing. Now use the arrow keys to move to the second slide and third slide. To exit from the slideshow, you can press the escape key from the keyboard. Now we will run the slideshow by using the second icon from current slide. It will start the slideshow from the current slide which we have selected. Now, which slide we have selected? That is third slide. So I am going to click on from current slide icon and see the changes. So now you can observe that our third slide is running as the first slide. Again, use the arrow keys to run the presentation. The next option is present online. This feature requires a network service to host the slideshow. Students, you can send the link of your presentation to your audience through an email. Then the audience can watch it through the web browser. And the last icon is custom slideshow. It will display only the slides that you will select. The second way to run the presentation is by using the shortcut key F5 from the keyboard. So I am going to press F5 key from the keyboard. Now use the arrow keys to move to the next slides and press escape key to exit the presentation. Students, if you want to view the presentation of a particular slide, for example, suppose you want to view the presentation of the second slide, firstly, click on the second slide and press the shortcut key Shift F5 from the keyboard. And you can see that our presentation will run from the second slide. Now use the arrow keys to move to the next slide and escape key to exit the slideshow. So in this way, you can make a beautiful presentation on any topic and run the slideshow by using the shortcut key F5. Students, you can also take the printout of the slides by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+P from the keyboard. After pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+P, you can select the number of copies and then click on Print button. You will get the printout of the slides only if printer is attached to your computer. Now we will do the shortcut keys, and the shortcut key to print the slides is Ctrl+P. To run the presentation, F5. To view the presentation of a particular slide is Shift+F5, and to insert a new slide, Ctrl+M. Identify the following icons. The first one is New Slide button. Second is From Beginning. Third is From Current Slide. Fourth is Present Online. And fifth is Custom Slideshow. So students, today we have learnt about slide layouts, steps to add a new slide, adding pictures to the slide, slideshow, and how to run a slideshow. So do reading of the pages 63, 64 and 65 and make a beautiful presentation on sports by inserting pictures on your computer. Thank you and have a nice day.